Portion control is a crucial strategy for effective weight loss management. Using smaller plates can visually trick the brain, aiding in managing food intake. This method helps create a calorie deficit, which is essential for losing weight effectively. Regular physical activity is vital for overall health and well-being. Include both cardio, for example, treadmill, and strength training, for example, weights. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate or 75 minutes of vigorous exercise weekly. Adequate sleep, 7 to 9 hours nightly, significantly impacts weight management. Sleep deprivation disrupts hunger-regulating hormones, increasing cravings. Hormonal imbalance due to lack of sleep can lead to potential weight gain.